In this video, we are going to see that if you have no audio device installed on your Windows 11, let's say that you are trying to adjust the volume of your Windows speakers and it says that no output device is installed, it's showing that error. How we can resolve this? Let's see. So first of all, what we need to do is just go to the start menu and right here, troubleshoot. Just go to troubleshoot settings right here. And here we see other troubleshooters option. Just go in here. And again, here we see in the most frequent, we have the audio. So we want to adjust the audio problems, right? We want to solve that. So click on run and it will open up this troubleshooter for you. It will give you some help. Here we see this. Do we have your consent to run automated diagnostic to try solving the audio problem? Select yes. It will process a little bit and then will show you the further message. So just I'll fast forward the process. So what it will do is it will scan and run a beep or play a beep for you. So did you hear the sound beep? It's asking. So if it is no, then you select no, and then it will check the driver. So may I automatically try to update your driver? Select yes. And now the audio device driver is updated. Let's see if it solves the problem. You can just check playing something on your PC, and you can also check the sound controllers from here. If it doesn't resolve the problem, something else what you can do is just go to the start menu here and write device manager, open that up. Now from here, you go to sound, video and game controller settings. If you can't see this, what you can do is just go to view and select show hidden devices and it should show up. So all the hidden devices is now shown up. Even if you open this one, only these two will show up, but other devices might not show up. So you want to include that one as well. So from here, what we want to do is, let's say this is our main audio device. So we want to update that. Right click here, update driver. And here I will select browse my computer for drivers. And let me pick from the list of available drivers on my computer. I'll select this option. And it already has the legally signed driver that I will reinstall. So just select that, click next and click yes. And it has updated the driver successfully. Close out of here. And then after that you can try and that should solve your problem. But if not, what you can do as well is just go to the start menu again and go to control panel. And here just go to hardware and sound. If you want to go to the direct option, you can search or view by large icons. And here we go to sound here. And in the playback, as you can see here, the speakers or main audio device is disabled. So it might be disabled and you want to re-enable that. So right click and click on enable. And as we can see, now it's enabled and hopefully that should solve your problem. So one of the methods might work for you. You can check every single time whenever you make any changes that if this solves the problem. So I hope this was helpful. Just comment down below if that works for you and I will see you in the next one.